In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to hide hidden album on iOS 16. Make sure you have already updated your iPhone to iOS 16. I have already done it. Now open your Photos application. Here we go. Here you can see different albums. Scroll down. You can see the album of Hidden. Open it. You can see that I'm easily able to open this album. Now minimize this album and then open your settings. Here we go. Scroll down. Over here you can see different options. Go to the option Photos. Open it. Scroll down. You can see the option of Use Face ID. You have to enable this option. Tap on this icon. I have enabled it. Now go back. Minimize your settings and open Photos app. Here we go. You can see that now you need Face ID to view this album. In this way, you can easily hide hidden album on iOS 16. I hope now you guys are totally clear about how to hide hidden album on iOS 16. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.